Hey guys, what's up? It's me, JFTXJR, or FNAF Boy, as you call. And today, this is another one of the Christmas presents that I got. It's flipped over. When I first saw this in the wrapping paper, I thought it was a phone. Stupid. Why would it be a phone? Well, so I could do more videos, like on YouTube. So, yeah, let's get into this. Wow, I got this thing out. Oh my goodness. They molded the pieces of plastic like the car's logo. That's funny. Okay, there's one. And two. Okay. Tires are rubber. Die-cast body. Which is actually pretty interesting. Just put this garbage over to the side, likely in the trash bin or something. Then yeah, here is, what's his name again? Flipped over. Yeah, here is flipped over. He seems to be a 143 scale. Yeah, since he was from the Disney store, he's a 143 scale. Yeah. You can pull it back and go. Yeah, looks pretty cool. He's the intersection racer, number 00. Yeah, here he is. There's not really much to say, other than like he's pink and he has this heart thing. I guess intersection is probably like an online dating site for cars. I don't know. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate 5 stars, subscribe to see more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, goodbye, everybody.